Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If recycle bin is not working on your system, then watch this video to solve the problem. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to empty the recycle bin. So we'll right click on this and we can, without opening recycle bin, we can empty the recycle bin. So we'll empty it. Yes. And then we'll see if we can open the recycle bin. If it opens, well and fine. If not, then we will run a system file integrity scan. For that, we need to look for command prompt, right click on it and run as administrator. Click on yes and enter the command sfc space slash scannow. Press enter, wait for the scan to finish and restart the computer. Now recycle bin should start working and should open on your computer. If this doesn't work, then we have to do a Windows update because mostly it's the issue with the update. We will look for settings, Windows update, and we will click on check for updates. The final solution, if nothing works, is to reset Windows. So if we look for, right click on the start button, go to settings, go to system, look for recovery, and we will click on reset PC. Now we will click on remove everything, but before you remove everything, I would suggest that you back up your personal data on a external drive. Then click on cloud download. So cloud download basically installs the installs the Windows version from the original copy that is stored on the Windows server. This copy will be downloaded into your system on a cloud. So click on next, and it will restart in a brand new configuration. If this video helped, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.